Warm and inviting. Brushed nickel finish provides a lightly brushed warm gray metallic look. Coordinating collection. Coordinates with other Moen bathroom accessories. Practical design. Genuine Moen part designed to make every day a bit easier. Peace of mind. Designed for hassle-free installation. With its floating ball design and cool aesthetic, the Moen Lounge 24-inch bathroom double towel bar adds a touch of simple, carefree style to your bathroom. The 24-inch double bar provides ample space for hanging multiple towels, washcloths, and other items. Dependable metal mounting posts offer lasting durability and stability, and the included mounting hardware and template make installation easy. The Moen Lounge double towel bar is available in a highly reflective chrome finish and a warm brushed nickel finish. Top reviews from the United States. Moen is the way to go. We had plain silver single towel bar in our brand newly built condo, and after a few months it kept falling apart. We finally decided to start replacing the fixtures and decided to go with this one, and we are 110% pleased we did. After buying this, we wounded up buying the whole lounge set for the bathroom and the guest bathroom. If you want something that is going to last and know it won't fall or break, go with a Moen product. Little hint: go to their site, find the models you like, and find it on Amazon, because you find it about 75% less here than home goods stores like we did. Costed us under $70 to do master and guest bathroom in full set of the lounge set.